How do you prepare for a driver's license restoration hearing? In short, carefully, and that's my job, to make sure that when you walk in, you know what you're facing. License appeal hearings are important, but the preparation is even more important. One of the curious realities that I point out to my clients is that we will sometimes spend more time preparing for the hearing than we will for the hearing. In the Livonia office of the Secretary of State, where all my hearings are held, there are 5 hearing officers. Each one is different and unique. Each one has his or her own areas of interest and concern. You need to know what those areas are, and you need to know what kinds of questions you're likely to be asked. You need to know how the facts of your case are going to generate questions. So my preparations usually take at least 30 minutes, and we're going to go over every aspect of your story, because every license appeal at the end of the day is a story. It's a story about your profound transformation from drinker to non-drinker, how or why you put the plug in the jug, why you decided to get sober, and all the changes that have occurred in your life, almost always good changes since you've quit drinking. We're going to take all of that and look at how that's going to be viewed by the hearing officer, the questions he or she's going to ask, and prepare you to walk in and have that hearing conducted. Prepare you to walk in and win. And the best part is we're going in to tell the truth. So for everything we talk about during the preparation, we're not preparing for some math Olympiad. You don't have to remember anything. You just have to go in and be relaxed and tell the truth and get your license back.